If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you enable the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window and save your changes, then QuickBooks Online automatically applies existing customer credits to the next invoice you create for that customer. It does this by adding the new invoice to the previous overpayment or prepayment you recorded in the Receive Payment window, which you can see if you open the previous payment you recorded in this window. However, if you need to manually apply customer credits in QuickBooks Online, first ensure the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch option, which appears in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window, is toggled to the Off position, and then save your changes. To then manually apply a customer credit to an invoice, click the plus new button in the navigation bar, and then click the Receive Payment link under the Customer's heading in the drop-down menu to open the Receive Payment window. Select the customer for whom you are applying the credit from the Customer drop-down. If needed, select the invoice to which to apply the customer credit by checking its checkbox in the Outstanding Transactions list. A new credits list then appears at the bottom of the Receive Payment window when you select a customer that has a credit to apply. Check the checkbox for the credit to apply it to the selected invoice. This will reduce the amount owed on that invoice by the amount of the selected credit. If needed, then finish receiving the remainder of the customer payment as you normally would. However, if you are also receiving a new payment using the Amount Received field, in addition to applying an existing credit, then change the payment field for the invoice to which the credit is applied to make sure it shows the total amount applied between the amount received and the credit, as entering a value into the Amount Received field changes the invoice's payment column to match it, and thus disregards the existing credit. Then save the payment when finished. Note that doing this also adds the new invoice to the previous payment that created the credit in the Receive Payment window, which you can see if you open it. Additionally, if a customer has a credit that will not be used in the future, you can create a credit memo for the customer and issue them a refund check for the credit amount. Creating credit memos and issuing refund checks is covered in the following chapter. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.